we are absolutely thrilled to bring to you our most powerful smartphone yet. This is the X60 Pro Plus. So, what makes up the Plus in X60 Pro Plus? The very first lies at its very heart. Remarkable Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5nm platform. This is the first chip in the industry to officially adopt the Cortex-X1 Supercore. It boasts 22% improvement in single-core performance. In terms of machine learning output, it beats the A78 by twofold. The second and extremely powerful plus is the flagship camera capabilities that we are bringing to the X60 Pro Plus. Introducing an industry-first wide-angle camera with gimbal stabilization. Not only will you be able to capture 114-degree field of view, but also enjoy pro-grade sharpness that gimbal stabilization brings. Equipped with the sensitive IMX598 sensor, the amount of light received by it has been increased by 104% compared to the previous generation, so that you can capture every single detail in it. Moreover, a night scene algorithm specially tuned for ultra-wide-angle mode can increase the single frame exposure time by up to 400% and ISO by up to 264%. So, this was about the main camera. But is one main camera enough for the most extraordinary Vivo phone yet? We decided it is not. Presenting the second main camera equipped with an ultra photosensitive GN1 sensor which captures even the minutest details of your scene. This super sensitive sensor helped us equip a large f1.57 aperture, increasing the light input by 38.8%. With a precision of up to 0.01 lux, a noise reduction algorithm increases the ISO by as much as 140%. And there is more. For pro-grade focusing, the X60 Pro Plus comes with a laser focusing unit which is a staggering 6 times faster and 22% more accurate. Probably the most powerful smartphone camera in the industry. Now, for pro-level portraits, the X60 Pro Plus is equipped with a phenomenal 32MP portrait camera, empowered with a professional 50mm portrait lens. Your portraits will no longer be just gorgeous, they will be breathtaking. Near or far, stability or sensitivity, the X60 Pro Plus has everything what you could ever desire in a smartphone camera. In fact, it is so remarkable that X60 Pro Plus will be showcased at Zeiss Museum of Optics in Jena, Germany as a true icon. And now, the final plus, which will set you apart in a crowd, the design. We deliberated for a long time over what would be the perfect material and color combination for Vivo's top-of-the-line flagship. After going through hundreds of options and iterations, we decided to finally settle with the grace and confident aura of vegan leather finish. Sophisticated yet warm, exclusive yet inviting, and we needed a color to match the enticing combination of feelings. Presenting X60 Pro Plus Emperor Blue. X60 Pro Plus is our boldest attempt till date, setting up a flagship probably like none before it. With the X60 Pro Plus, we didn't just redefine the photography, we have redefined a smartphone.
Majestic X60 Pro Plus is priced at just rupees 69,990.
Pre-booking starts from today and sale starts from 2nd April.